I'm back with another Halloween tutorial. If this is your first time here at my channel, thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you want to check out more videos like this. Today I'm going to be doing a fortune teller look, so yeah, we're just gonna basically jump right in. So I already did my complexion, my concealer, and like my contouring. So for my brow, I'm gonna do a mixture of this Tarte rich brown, and then I'm also gonna use precisely my brow pencil in number 6. I'm gonna brush the brows down. So this rich brown is a little bit lighter, which is why I'm doing the fronts with it, and then the outer portions are much more dramatic. So I'm going to tidy them up a bit with the concealer that I use beneath my eyes, which is the Tarte Shape Tape in light neutral. And I'm just going to do underneath. So after the eyebrows, now we're going to move on to eyes. So for the base of my eye, I'm going to be using Danessa Myricks colorfix. So I'm going to be using the color Real Love. I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to smoke out my whole eye with it. I'm using my Cozzette D220 brush. Pop it right into my crease. And I want this to be like the underlining color of my layers of colors that I blend out. So I did buff this color pretty far out into like my inner crease, all the way pretty high up into my brow bone. I'm also going to drag beneath my lash line, and it's going to be buffed out pretty far out down here as well. So I'm just going to use black now, and I'm going to go all over the lid. Just using black eyeshadow from this self-made palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's really, really old. Just any black. Oh, and since this is a powder, before I do that, I am going to go ahead and lay some powder down beneath my eye, so if I have fallout, and I'm going to pop that all over my lid. Now I'm going to use a clean brush to blend out the edges. Okay, so now I'm doing my tight line with black, and I'm using the Makeup Forever Aqua XL liner in M10, which is the black one. So I'm doing my tight line, and I'm making sure that I'm getting in between my lower lashes as well. And then I'm also going to smoke out my lower lash line with this. So this kind of sets, so I like to smoke it out right after I apply it beneath my lash line. So now that I did that, I'm also going to go ahead and add that same black shadow underneath and smoke that out further. I'm going to use the same brush that I used to blend above the eye right underneath. This is how it looks so far with the Real Love and the black. And what I want to do is I just want to warm up the undertones a little bit. I'm going to use my Viseart palette, Dark Mattes. I'm actually going to go right into this orange tone. And then I'm just going to bring it along the outer edges of where the black meets the Real Love. If you look at this eye compared to that eye, you see how this one is warmed up. I'm going to sweep away all of this little protection powder that we got going on here. My little mama was crying, so we have a guest appearance. Ava, say hi. Right here. Say hi. Say hi, guys. Say hi. I'm Ava. I'm the one that's always crying in the background. Right? Say hi. Are you going to say hi? Blow them kisses. Say mwah. Okay, say bye-bye, guys. You can go with Daddy now, okay? You gonna be a good girl? Say, I promise to be a good girl. She's like, I'm about to rip apart your background. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. You stinker. I'm going to be using the Copper Pigment by Mehron. So while using this product, I'm using a pencil brush, and I'm also spraying my brush as I go. Like, it's just like a guide for me to see where the glitter is going to go. My lashes, I'm using, for my top lashes, I'm using these Arielle, the double up lashes in number 201. This is how they look. I am reusing that. So before I put lashes on, I'm going to put mascara on, just so I can help disguise my lashes in with the artificial lashes. I'm using the Bad Gal Lash by Benefit. So now we have our top lashes on. I literally, like, this tutorial is taking me so long because I had to like stop, go put Ava to sleep because she was not going to sleep without me, and then come back. So I was like, she like threw her bottle at my face, and I was like, oh, I hope she didn't mess up my look. Anyways, So I literally use these Urban Decay, the heavy metals, just to apply loose glitter. This one is in the color Distortion. This glitter by Obsessive Compulsive Cosmetics. See how pretty it is? I'm using this to like as a base for this to adhere to. I'm just kind of applying it. Oh my gosh, I think there's a bug in here. I like bugs. I feel like this is very effectively hiding all of these lines underneath my eyes. This is about to be like my everyday look, girl. Oh, are these not even? Oh my gosh, this isn't even. Like kind of going that way, and this one's straight. Oh, okay, so if I make it thicker right there, that'll fix it. We're gonna fix it, right? So like make this go like that, we'll hopefully fix it. This is like the never-ending tutorial because I've been doing it with like breaks in between. Okay, this color. To like bring it into my complexion. And then we're gonna illuminate the skin. So I'm using the Ofra Cosmetic, the Everglow, you know, the Nikki Tutorials collab. Ordered these really cute liners off of, they're called Kill Black double eyeliner pencil, and it's by QIC. It's literally, I got it because like the back of it is a stamp, so it's like this one has stars, and then the other one's like a little Luna. So cute. So look, so this one, like, let me let you guys check them out. Hold on, let's do it together. You see it? It's like this one's a little Luna and this one's stars. What I was thinking is maybe put like little Lunas at the ends of these, or maybe like on the outer. I don't know yet, but we're gonna do something. I'm so excited about using this. I hope it's good. So this is the little Luna. I'm gonna do a little stamp right here for the first time. Oh my god, it's so cute! I love it. Okay, I get so excited for things like this. Why am I so excited about this? It's literally a stamp. And then the other end is a liner. Oh, I didn't even care about the other side. I'm like, who cares? So it's like a thick felt tip. I mean, it's really nice and black, but I don't like a felt tip. So if you like a felt tip, this is for you, girl. Oh my gosh, I can't open it. Don't do that. And then this one is the stars. I'm wondering if it's exactly how it shows here. Oh no. It's 1 star. Okay, good. Like the picture, I'm kind of more happy. I'm even more happy that it's 1 star because I thought it was so cute. So if you look at the picture, it shows like a bunch of little stars, and I thought that the stamper looked like that. You know what I mean? And I'm like, no. So we're gonna do, should I do the little Lunas right here? I'm kind of like, okay, so I don't really know what I want to do right now. Okay, let me do my bottom lashes, and we're gonna think this through while I'm applying these bottom lashes. How about that? And then for my bottom lashes, I'm using these Freedom 11 lashes by Danessa Myricks. I always tell myself, like, girl, today, get in the right headspace. We're gonna do this fast. 3 hours later, we're still here. I was not fast. Okay, now time for these stars. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it. Should we do them like, oh, I don't wanna, okay, so hold on. Okay, should I do the Luna? I think I'm gonna do the Luna. Or the crescent, I don't, what is this? Oh my god, what if I ruin it? Okay, I'm just gonna do it. That wasn't a perfect stamp. No! Okay, I could work with it because I could fix it. And then this one's gonna go this way. So you know what's cool? I guess now we can use this side to like perfect it. Okay. Sometimes you just gotta do it. Oh, definitely, yes. I love it. It's definitely giving me fortune teller vibes. Are they even? They do, right? I mean, they're a little crooked. And then should I do like a couple star, like should I do like a star right here? I think I wanna do a star right there. I don't really know yet. Or I might wanna do like a couple right here, like one right there. Yes, so cute. I really like that. Maybe I'll do like another one. Am I getting carried away? No, right? Let's see where we're going with this. Let's do one right in the middle. Oh no, I'm scared. Okay, hold on. Okay, so let's move on to the lips. I feel good with that, with the little stars and the Luna. I think that's a cute little vibe. And then I still have to like wave my hair and like add accessories. I feel like that's gonna bring the whole look together. This color, it's by Voss liquid lipstick. It's in the color Vanity. Well, I was completely out of frame for that, sorry. Honestly though, like for a dark color, this is pretty impressive. It's like not patchy. So I like to do like really small precision when I'm doing the like around my lips. So I like to use the lip brush. This one is a crown brush with no number. And then I like to clean up around it to make sure it's extra perfect. I think that's like such a great color for this eye look and brought the whole look together as far as like drama goes. I'm gonna pop some accessories on and then I'm gonna do the reveal girl. Alright guys, here's my completed look. I waved my hair, added this little turban and this little headpiece. I also got really creative and I attached, this is like an anklet, I attached it to my nose ring, to my earring, just because I felt like it gave it more of a dramatic vibe because that's what this look is. I did do like the 2 different contacts just because I felt like the look was turning out really pretty and I wanted it to have definitely a spooky touch to it. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not. Give this video a thumbs up and also leave me a comment down below because that really helps my channel grow. If you do try to create this look, please tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is also DiamondkTheMua. I would love to see your look. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I hope you guys have a happy Halloween. Just like money.